Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I will make oatmeal raisin cookies. This is the healthy and the chewy cookies. So the first four ingredients is butter, shortening, brown sugar, and white sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt, cinnamon, baking soda, and of course our all-purpose flour and vanilla essence. And 2 eggs, 1 cup of raisin, and 3 cups of worker oats. So for the procedure, we will mix the dry ingredients, the salt, the baking soda powder, mix into the flour, cinnamon, and mix it well. For mixing this one, we will set aside for this one, then we can use this later. So in the bowl, we will mix, or we will beat our butter using I'm just using the hand mixer, and our shortening, we will mix it here. Just beat for how many minutes until this shortening and the butter will incorporate. Then we will add the white sugar and the brown sugar. Now this time we will add our eggs, 2 eggs, and our vanilla essence, and we will just mix this for a few seconds only. This time we will add our dry ingredients, the flour mixture, just mix it well until no lumps of the flour. you have to add the flour just slowly. So once your mixture is like this, and you have to add your oatmeal and your raisin. You will just mix this together about 10 seconds, just enough to incorporate the raisin and the oats. So this time the mixture looks like this, then we will just use a rubber spatula. Just give everything one last mix by hand from the bottom up, and just ensure that all the ingredients are combined. So once you're done like this, so you can use ice cream scoop or a small one that I don't have my ice cream scoop, so I'm using this kind of scoop I had here. So just it's depends on you how big your cookies wants to be. Then just pour into a non-stick baking pan, or just grease with a butter or mixable oil. And we will just bake this for about 9 to 11 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. So it's done, so it's time to bake now. We will just bake this to 9 to 11 minutes until it's golden brown. So once your cookies is done, let it cool for 5 minutes. Then we will transfer this to the wire so that it will completely cool. So here's your cookies. It's very yummy and it's healthy, and it's soft and chewy oatmeal cookies. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like